Young gator, she's dancing like. Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Friday. We're up decently early today because I have a photo shoot today. And I'm gonna vlog just today and tomorrow. I might vlog Sunday as well, like a weekend in my life, because it's like an event, it's a workshop. Yesterday we had like a Zoom call. I didn't vlog that because it really wasn't all that, like, it wasn't that great like to create content out of. So today my photo shoot is in 3 hours. What? 9, 10, 3 hours. So I'm going to make some breakfast right now and then get ready. I have my outfits picked out. I think I'm gonna go with 3. This is gonna be interesting because I haven't, like, with all the COVID stuff and everything, like, it's gonna be interesting. So if you want to see how this weekend goes, then keep watching. Hey y'all, half of my eyebrow is gone, but that's okay. So I was planning on vlogging before I got to the place, when I got to the place, and after, but that didn't happen because I was running behind. I was gonna say I was running a bit behind, but I was running behind by more than just a bit. So I'm home now. I've been home for like half an hour or 50 minutes if you want to be exact. And the photo shoot went so well. I did include some clips. I don't even know if they're good because I just kind of propped my camera up somewhere just so that you guys could see kind of what I was doing. I'm so excited for the mixer. I really hope. Okay, let me backtrack a little bit. I have this friend that I met. Why are you not focused? I have this friend that I met through Instagram. She lives in my city. And we've been talking pretty much since the beginning of quarantine. And she's also going to be at the event for the little thing tomorrow, so that should be exciting. I really hope I get to see her because we've been talking and it's been like 4 months and we haven't met up because of like everything going on. But also we do go to the same school too, so that's really cool. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat. I literally had my smoothie bowl and an apple. I guess I literally only had like fruit. Well, there was protein in my smoothie bowl, but like I literally had just fruit today. I need some actual like protein, like I need some like chicken or just something of substance basically because it's 3 o'clock and I ate my breakfast. I finished at like 10. I usually don't go this long between meals. Like your girl eats and I eat a lot because I need to. But yeah, the photo shoot went well. The location, oh my gosh. Danny, who was like the designer, the stylist, that's the right word, right? She did an amazing job styling the little scenes and stuff. They're supposed to be like a rooftop like shoot, but yesterday, like she put the stuff up yesterday for today and we got a tornado warning, so they had to take that down and move it indoors because they didn't want to risk it like toppling over basically. And like the winds even today were pretty bad too. So yeah, she did an amazing job. I'm gonna include some clips here showing what it looked like. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow as well. And I think I'm gonna vlog on Sunday too. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what I want to eat. Oh, my makeup looks so good. Who is this? Oh, yeah, my makeup looks good. My under eyes looking a little crazy. But lashes are, of course, Extreme Fantasy lashes. My friend's brand. I'll have them linked down below. If you live in Calgary, definitely shoot her a DM. I think she also does shipping. So if you're within Canada, I think you should be able to get the lashes. They're so good. I literally pretty much only wear them. It's rare for me to wear like my other lashes, which is really bad because I spent money on them, but I don't wear them. But these are just so good. And the prices, so good. Yeah. I'll have her link down below. Okay, y'all, it's been raining. And look, it's a double rainbow. You can kind of see where it ends. It's so vibrant over there. Like, wow. I don't know why I'm so excited, but like, y'all, this is so pretty. Hey y'all, happy. Okay, let's do it here. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So I've had a very chill start to the day. It's 2:30. I'm gonna get a quick workout in. We have I'm gonna go to the there's a fireside chat and then there's like a mixer afterwards, and that's at like 7:30. So I'm gonna get this workout in and then get ready. So I'm gonna take some pre. I think I'm gonna dry scoop today. Actually no, let me sip on it because I need to do some cleaning. Somebody got gator, she made nothing like. This flavor, so good. It's only available for the summertime, so I'm gonna have it linked down below if you decide to purchase. It tastes like candy. I'm gonna put my glasses or I'm gonna put my contacts in so we can get to cleaning. Okay, so I'm about to get ready, hence the robe. I think I'm gonna paint my nails as well, or just take the polish off. I'm only gonna do makeup, like probably like here down, because I'm gonna be wearing a mask anyways. So I'm just gonna quickly screw my tripod on. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so I don't really see the point of wearing makeup past like my nose. So I'll let go. I'm about to leave. I am so nervous all of a sudden. I don't really know why, so I'm just gonna grab my... Ow! Don't mind the stuff on my bed. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna be wearing these shoes. So let's go.
Where's your jacket?
I'm not gonna wear one. Because I have nothing that goes. So if I freeze, I freeze. In the sake of fashion.
Okay.
I'm so nervous.
Why you never?
I don't even know. I wasn't nervous yesterday. Oh my god. What is that? Ew. It's so nice out. Okay, so it is just about 7. The gates open at 7:30, so I have plenty of time, and they close at 8. So I'm gonna try and get there at a decent time so that I can so I can get a good parking spot. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys when I get to the place. Okay, I apologize for this awful angle, but I'm sitting in my car just trying to kill a little bit of time because I'm here a bit early. So oh my god, I thought I brought my headphones, but I guess. Okay, yeah, so I'm still kind of nervous. I'm just trying to calm myself down a little bit before I head in. Hey all, happy Sunday. I apologize for my voice. I woke up not too long ago, but I'm just easing into the day. I'm waiting for my phone to charge so I can go for a walk. And then since it is self-care Sunday, I'm just gonna ease into things. I'm gonna actually clean my room. I know I said I was gonna do this yesterday, but that didn't happen because of the event. And then I'm going to actually study. I really need to study because I have so much to, like, I have a lot to study and I'm so behind. And I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do work for some courses. And then I think I'm actually gonna do a face mask. Probably gonna treat myself to a mug cake today. And yeah, it is currently 9:18. For the past 2 days I've been waking up later than usual, and it's been okay, but I feel like my day just gets away from me so much faster when I wake up so late. It's not late, but I try to wake up like before 8 or around 8. So yeah. So gosh, I'm looking at my desk, and for the past 2 days, like, getting ready, it's just a mess. So I'm gonna make my bed first, and then actually no, I'm gonna get water and then get to cleaning while my phone charges. It's at 40%. One thing I learned about this weekend is that I definitely need to wear more color, because the love I am getting from, like, I have maybe like 5 items in my wardrobe that aren't neutrals, and I think I need to change that, because y'all really like, or I guess the people on Instagram, like people who came up to me in real life, have really told me that they really like that dress on me. I was watching a YouTuber's video and she was doing her own gel nails, and I have the stuff to do it, so I figured why not. I've had the stuff for a while, so I'm just gonna use it. I don't know how to use it, but we'll figure it out. Push back cuticles, remove the natural, blah blah. Okay, so we'll figure this out together, I guess.
Time is a social institution and not a physical reality. There is, in other words, no such thing as time. There is such a thing as rhythm, but time as such is a social institution.
Okay, so I did my nails. I'll just cover this so it doesn't spill. For my first time, I don't think I did a bad job. I'm no professional, but I definitely need a little bit of work, but I did the best I could. And then I'm going to pick up dinner for the family. We're having Popeyes. So yeah, I can't wait for that. Yeah, and then I'm actually gonna finish cleaning my room. I like put the clothes away ish. I'm taking it slow today. I need to get some work done. I've been taking it slow, but I think I need to like pick up the pace a little bit. It's almost 6:30, so I need to do that. So I'm gonna leave it like the next like 10-15 minutes.